up, you guys? Today I'm starting off with just priming my eyelids, cleaning up under my eyebrows. The brush that I'm using is a concealer brush, so I'm just tapping in a little bit of product, making sure everything is covered, and just to make sure there's no extra product, just blending out with this brush. And I'm using this small little brush. It kind of has like a little angle to it, so I use this to just tap the product in, and then I'm creating like a little eyeliner with eyeshadow. So I'm just extending it out right there, making sure it's kind of like thin, not too thick. And then you want to use the little angle on the brush to do that, and then use that same angle to do the inner corner of your eye as well. And then just kind of blend it out a little bit, smoke it out. So I'm just lightly, smoking this out, just going back and forth. So I'm just pushing the color a little bit upwards, and then also right here on the wing, you want to just smoke it out a little bit downwards as well. And then with the same product, the leftover product, I'm just going to create an outline for this next line right here. So I'm just tapping and tapping, creating that little shadow. And I really like this look. It's kind of like a new look. It's pretty sexy to me. So if you're going like on a little date, a night out with your girls, I really recommend this. It's not doing too much. It's not using too many colors. So it looks really nice on the eye. And I'm going in with this clean brush and just smoking it out. Not any product on the brush, just smoking out the product, blending it out, going in little circles, and then going back with that same brush and just creating that line right there. You can do it a little bit up, a little bit more down. It's really up to you, it's your preference. But now I'm going in with that same clean brush, just smoking it out a little bit. And then I'm also adding a little bit of my bronzer, just so everything can kind of match and be smoked out right there. And you don't want to go too harsh, so hold your brush lightly and smoke that out. Because remember, you did conceal, and so underneath it's wet still. So you don't want to move your concealer too much. Make sure you're going lightly and just blending the two colors together. You just want to go back and forth. I already did my other eye before I recorded this, so I'm just doing my right eye. And I've never done this look before, so this is my first time as well. So I wanted to try out this new look, add a little pop right there in the center, which is just highlight. You can use a glitter if you want, a little shimmer, but I'm just using my highlighter on there. And then mainly the color is going to be on the center, and then just lightly pull it to the outside. And then going in with my inner corner brush, just using that same highlight and just tapping it right there in the inner corner underneath the brow. Not too much. I'm just going in with a fluffier brush and just smoking everything out, making sure everything's blended, making sure everything looks nice and smooth. And you can even go in on that light area and conceal and, make it cleaner, make the lines sharper. But if you don't have that much time, just do what I did. now I'm going in with that same angled brush underneath and just doing it on the outside and then on the inside and leaving that middle part empty. And then just connect the bottom to the outer corner, to the wing. And so I'm just adding that highlight underneath. So we're using two colors, the highlight and then the brown. Gonna make sure it's connected, the inner highlight and then your eyeshadow, making sure everything looks nice and smooth. If you need to add a little bit more of definition, contour a little bit more, just go back in with that same brush and just blend everything out. And going in on my other side as well, making sure both sides do match. Smoke it out at the bottom if you need to. And this is my finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this little tutorial. Please like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thanks for watching.